Yeah. I go by the name of Chuck Diesel. Yeah. Entertainment. When you see me, see that splat. Yeah. The difference between us and them. Yeah. Okay. Walk with me. Y'all ready? Look, I'm a man of honor, so watch how you talking to me. Know some hit squad brims not playing about me. Held my own on that bed, doctor vouch for me. Well respected in that dorm, ask my foes about me. Man of respect, so respect my mind. If there's a difference in between us, I'ma draw that line. John Hancock that shit, you'll be dead by 9. I ain't got it to waste on you, who gon' pay for that time? We all got the same goals, well at least I thought. Could be rich, I had every penny for my thoughts, shit. Yes, we all wrong at times. OGs was schooling us when they dropped them dimes. Had to get it out the mud, risk my life at times. Connect, show the nigga love. Shake the price sometimes. Grubhub, place an order, smokers hit my line. They picked up a curb service when I dropped them dimes. Last of my kind, cut from a different cloth. You off if I let it off. Your whole top coming off. Strong enough to take a loss, I doubt it, cause the war cost. That murder not for hire when my brothers come to knock you off. Real lies, my nigga Rizzy said it best. Most these niggas fraud, swearing that they always cash a check. Social media flashing the rear feds won't rest. Until you in the box stress, waiting on the phone next. Grand told me get him, what's the point of seeing who's next? We not the same lyrically, I kill whoever up next. Headshot after headshot, who the fuck next? Blood splat after blood splat. Who the fuck next? Hot shell after hot shell. Who the fuck next? Women and children screaming for their life. Who the fuck next? Light a candle, pour some liquor out. Who the fuck next? I'm at the viewing the wake in the service. Who the fuck is next? Yeah. Oh. Bounce. Y'all niggas not fucking with us, man. Ambitious Entertainment. Production. Yeah. Trilogy Studios, what up? Yeah.